In this video, I will teach you how you can create and set up your Google Ad account, which is also used to run your YouTube ads. As you know, YouTube is owned by Google. That is why Google Ads and YouTube Ads use the same ad platform. I will also show you how you can set up your payment method to enable you pay for your Google or YouTube ads from any part of the world. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Open your Google Chrome browser and type ads.google.com. Enter. It will open like this. Ensure that you have signed in your Gmail account because you need your email to create your Google Ads account. At the top right hand side, you will see the sign in button and the start now button. Because you don't have an account, click on the start now button here. It's loading. It will open up like this. Click on this create your first campaign button. Now, you need to provide your business information. Start with your business name, though it's optional. I will use a business name here. Then scroll down. You will see where should people go to after clicking your ad. Your website, your business phone number, your app download page. Okay. Here you can use any website URL. You can use a landing page. You can use your website URL. Note that it doesn't mean the URL you post here is where all your Google ads or YouTube ads will go to. No, you can always decide on any of your campaign where you want to direct people to. Okay, so I'll just paste a URL here to set up this Google account. Scroll down, you will see the next button here. Click on next. It will take you here. Now, this AI is going to review your URL depending on the landing page or website content. So we are not ready to create Google campaign or YouTube campaign right now. We just want to set up the ad account first. So click here, set up an account only. It will take you here. You need to confirm your account settings, your billing country. Select your billing country. If you're in Nigeria, you can see Nigeria right here. Select Nigeria. If you're not in Nigeria, click on this drop down button. You will see several other countries here, different countries. If you're in Ghana, if you're in South Africa, if you're in United Kingdom, if you're in United States of America, any country, just select it. Okay, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll select Nigeria right here. Then the next thing is time zone. Select your time zone. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm using GMT+1. This particular time zone is for countries in West Africa. If you're not in West Africa, then select your own time zone. Click on the drop down button here and you can select your time zone by default. Okay, the next thing is currency. Click on this drop down button here. You will see several countries currency here. If you are in the UK, then you can use British pounds. If you're in other countries, there are several other countries here. United States of America, you will see your dollar there. If you're in other countries, just search. You are going to see your country's currency right here. If you are in Nigeria, you will not see naira here, so you will leave it at US dollars. Then click on this continue button down below. The next step is to confirm your account and payment settings. Scroll down, confirm your country, your time zone. Then the next one is promotions. If you want an offer, you can click on this drop down button. When you spend $300, you will get $300 in ad credits. If you spend $100, you will get 600 in ads credits. But I don't want to use any of those promotions right now, so I'll scroll down. You are going to see payment profile here. So you need to create your payment profile. So click on create new payment profile. To create a payment profile, look at this profile type here. You will see organization, but I want it as an individual. So click on this drop down button here and select individual. Then you can use the legal name here. Next, input your street address. Fill up these options here: city, postal code, and your state. Okay. So after filling up all the information, down below you see this create button. Click on the create button. It will take you here. Click on add payment method. Then click on add credit or debit card. Input your card details here, your card number, the expiry date. This security code is the 3-digit number at the back of your card. Then enter your card name here. I will enter mine now. After entering all the card details, click on this save card button down below. Then the next thing here is payment setting. You will see automatic payment here. You can change it to manual payment. So if you click on this change here, you will see manual payments. Let me explain this too. Automatic payment means they will deduct your ad spend directly from that card you save on this platform as you meet the payment threshold as you run your ad. Okay. While the manual payment, you will fund it. You will send the money that you want to use for this ad, and it will be in your ad account. So whichever method you want to use. For example, if you select manual now, you put the amount you want to fund and you fund. If you want to fund $10, or if you want to fund $50, $20, $100, as the case may be, you will just enter it, click on continue and fund. But I want to use automatic, so I select automatic here, put continue here. Then scroll down, you will see this one personalized guidance from a Google Ads account strategist by phone or messaging app. I'll select no, I don't want that. Then the next one is get tips, promo offers, testing and feedback opportunities, and a new feature invitation by email. I can go for this. So I'll click on yes. Scroll down below, you will see this submit button. Click on submit. Now that you're finished setting up your Google Ads account for you to run your YouTube ads, the next step is to run your YouTube or Google Ads. If you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial on how to run your YouTube ads that convert, then like this video and comment YouTube ads at the comment section. That way I will know you're interested and I will publish the YouTube ads tutorial video for you.